Hey, welcome to How's It channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to insert watermarks in Word. Open your Word document. Go to Design tab. Select Watermark at the end of the menu bar. Click on Custom Watermark. Check Picture Watermark in the new window. Click on Select Picture. Click on Browse next to the From the File option. Select your picture and click on Insert. Set Scale to Auto and uncheck Washout. Click OK. If you want to insert text watermark, go to Design tab. Select Watermark at the end of the menu bar. Click on Custom Watermark. Check Text Watermark. Click on the tiny arrow next to the language option and select the language you need. Type the watermark text in the Text Empty field. Select the font of the watermark. Set the text size. Select the color and choose the layout type, diagonal or horizontal. Click OK. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day.